Hello, another quick tutorial. This time we're going to be embedding a SoundCloud link, a song, into your profile. And let's begin. So we just want to go to SoundCloud and uh, we'll go down to the track that we like and we'll go to share. And this will pop up. And I'm going to click on embed. And then we'll get this code right here. And of course, we can change some options if we'd like, but we're just going to go ahead and get the code. So we'll click out here, we'll go over here, and remember anything that we put here shows up in the About Me. So this is just for testing purposes, and lo and behold, we have embedded this into our profile. Of course, this isn't Spacehey, so we'll just go ahead and put this into Spacehey. So we'll go home, we'll edit our profile. Let's just remove this stuff that we have here. Let's save all of that. View our profile. And we have the song that we'd like. That's really all it. Thank you for watching. If you have any comments, suggestions, ideas, please let me know. And elsewise, take it easy.